Want to share a tip on repairing a Porter Cable pneumatic framing nailer. This is an FC350A. And what the problem I had was that when you plug in the air, it immediately would blow out, which tells me that a seal is worn out or broken or something like that. And they do make a repair kit from Porter Cable, which is the number 693. 60093 repair kit, which has all of the seals and gaskets and stuff in there you need to repair it. And the problem I had was even just getting this top off. They've got these Allen wrench machine head bolts in here, and they're obviously sealed with Locktite when you get them. Very, very difficult to pull off. Even, all of the effort with just a basic Allen wrench, and I'd even tried sort of the T-head Allen wrenches to get them off, wouldn't budge at all. And I did end up trying basically using a cheater bar to get it off, basically just sort of grabbing up here, and immediately they popped loose. So if you have this problem, don't feel like you're going to break the framing nailer getting them off. Just put a little extra bar on the Allen wrench and they'll come right loose.